Your roof's leaking. Do you repair it or do you replace it? By the end of this video, hopefully you'll have more guidance on what the correct steps are to determine that for you. Hey guys, I'm Kevin here at Equity Roofing, and we've helped hundreds of homeowners make the call to repair or replace their roof. Today, I'm going to help you make that call. So one of the most common questions that we get is, do I repair my roof or do I replace it? And what's the difference? So with a repair, you hopefully identify the problem, isolate it, and patch it. And that can be a fantastic solution should there be no major system issues. When it comes to replacement, that's when you have system issues or your roof is showing signs of age or failure. And replacing your roof can be a fantastic option if you want a long-term investment to where you don't have to worry about your roof anymore. Do you need roof repairs? So first off, that starts with an inspection. One of our trained specialists will come out, take a look at your problem, assess the situation, your roof in a whole, and help you make that determination. It's not one where it's always a simple answer. Sometimes a repair is a fantastic option, and other times it's not. If your roof is 15 years or newer with no major system issues, then a repair may be right for you. As far as a time frame for roof repairs, typically damage is already happening before you see it. Before it's visible on the ceiling, you have problems in your attic. So the second you see it, it's very important that you reach out as soon as possible. Otherwise, you risk the damage growing and it becoming a larger repair. The next question we get is, how much does a repair cost? And that always comes down to what's the scope of that repair. If it's a couple shingles, repairs can start as low as $800. If it's full slope and sectional replacements, naturally it's going to be more. Always important to get a good quote from a trusted company. Does your roof need replaced? Well, the answer to that will always come down to a proper roof inspection. Aside from that, if you're experiencing recurring issues, age-related problems, or you just want to get ahead of it, because again, your roof protects your most important investment, which is typically your home. So the question that everyone wants an answer to, how much does a roof replacement cost? And that comes down to many different factors. The size, first and foremost, how much square footage is in your roof, the complexity, the pitch. A lot of factors go into determining the cost of your roof. A nice simple house could be as low as $12,000 all the way up. You could have a $50,000 roof if you have a big, beautiful house with tons of details. So how much should you budget for your roof? So it's always important to plan for any major expense in your life, and your roof is no different. Much like it's a good idea to budget for your car, I would recommend always set aside a little bit of money for your roof. The average roof goes up about 5 to 7% in cost every year. So always keep that in mind when planning your roofing project. So thank you for taking this time to watch our video and learn more about what goes into a roofing decision. Click the link below to find out more from our blogs and a lot of our great content so that you can leave informed and ready to make a decision.